Would you like to take your ManyChat subscribers and upload them into Facebook Ads Manager so that you could create a custom audience and then create a lookalike audience around that custom audience so that you could get better targeting and better conversion? Well, I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to show you that now. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. All right, let's get started. I'm going to show you how a new feature that ManyChat has installed to allow you to download your user IDs. You could do this through Zapier before and then upload them into a custom audience. Now you can actually download them directly from ManyChat, upload them into a custom audience. What I've heard is some great results. Some people doing this, that their conversion on their ads is increasing and getting more clickable people in the bots and stuff like that. So because it's so fine targeted, it's actually targeted better than using just a generic targeting that Facebook allows for your lookalikes and all that stuff. So you can base, once we get this custom audience up there based on your subscribers, now we can create lookalike audiences around that. So it's awesome. Let's get started here. We go into audience, and in audience bulk actions, here's the new feature. You need the pro version to do this. Export PS IDs, the pro version. So we're going to go back out here. Another great thing is within audience, now you can filter. So you could filter people based on tags, sequence subscriptions, other, gender. So you might be looking at audiences as male or female. Custom fields, anything like that, you can filter this. And so let's just say you have, your winery and you ask, you like red or white wine. You could create a bulk download based on, let's say, red wine, upload that to a custom audience, and now you got people that like red wine, do a lookalike audience on that. Granted, you may not get all the people liking red wine, but probably could get a good majority of them on that lookalike audience as well. So you could very target your ads to specific people. So it is a great feature, and you can filter. What we're going to do today is I'm just going to grab everybody to start out. So I'm going to do a bulk action. I'm going to do export, do download that CSV, and it's churning out here. Now, a couple things you want to do is you want to open up that file, and as you can see, I have some weird numbers here. It's not really a full number. Plus, I have a header record. The header record will not convert in Ads Manager. It's going to error out. So I'm going to take that out and delete that row. And then the other thing for this column, I am going to change the formatting on it and format that cell. And I'm going to do a custom and 0. So now it looks like this versus what it looked like. And now all the numbers are all correct with no weird characters, plus signs, all that good stuff. So that is going to be what we're going to upload. So I'm going to do save, yes, and then I'm actually going to save as, and I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'm going to save there. I'm going to say yes, and then I'm going to close it. I'm going to say yes, save, yes, overwrite, yes, all that good stuff. So now it's saved on my desktop. Now we could go over to Business Manager. And once you're in your Business Manager, find your account. I'm actually going to go to, oh, that's interesting. Get myself out of the way there. Do audience. I have to change it here. There we go. Well, that's weird. Add accounts. Okay. Recent. Oh, okay. Now. Oh, that is strange. Where's CubMediaVox? There we go. That's the one I want. All right. So now I'm in my right account. You need, I don't know why that It's weird that it doesn't show you all your accounts. Then you have to search for them. All right. Used to scroll and be able to get to them. Anyway, I'm in the right one now. Make sure that you're in the right account. I'm going to create that custom audience. We're going to pick customer file. That's where we're bringing, and we're bringing customer file. Use customer file to match your customers with people on Facebook. I'm going to create this custom audience. We're going to add customers from your own file. So we're bringing our own file in. And get to this screen. So here, what we're going to do is the origin of data source. We're going to have it directly from customers, advertise collection information directly from customers. We've got the information directly from our customer. It's not from our partners. Advertising collection information directly from their customers, and it was also sourced from their partners, agencies. No, we're just getting it from customers. Now you could drag that file in here. I'm going to just minimize that a little bit. So I'm going to drag this file right in there. And we're all set there. Now we're going to go next. Oh, I'm going to name this CubMediaVox subs. I'm going to put a date in here just because you can update. Now, granted, this is a picture of my subscribers right now. Tomorrow, I may have some new subscribers that aren't in the custom audience. So I'll be able to update my custom audience with those. We're going to talk about that when we're done here. And what we're going to do something in ManyChat. We're going to go next. Now we got to match up these, do the mapping. So click on this. Find Facebook page user ID. And that's what we have. We have a Facebook page user ID. And now we have to enter in the Facebook page ID that's associated to this list. And it would be CubMediaVox. That's the one where I grabbed it from. So what you do is go into your business manager again, and then go to business settings. And that's where I'm at. Click on the page, CubMediaVox, and then your ID is right there. All you got to do is click on it to the clipboard and then go back into here, paste it in, and then hit enter so that it's blocked, that little block, because you can add more page IDs. You can add the one page. And now we're all set. One column is mapped and will be uploaded there. So we're all mapped. We got to connect to the page. We're going to upload and create. All right. So it all worked. So now we have our custom audience. Now, if we want to click on that, we can kind of look at it, can edit that, and do those kind of things there. Now you could create a lookalike audience based on that. But that's how you get your subscribers up from ManyChat into your ads manager, into a custom audience. And now you can basically run ads, retargeting ads to these people. And then you could create, like I said, you could do a drop down and then do a lookalike audience based on this custom audience. And that's it. So that's how you do it. Let me see here. Actions. Create a lookalike. You can do it right here. Audience name, you can add it there. So there you go. And I want to get rid of, close this off. And once this is done, it'll show up. It won't say this anymore. It's just updating the audience right now. Now, going back into ManyChat, what you'd want to do is going forward, your new subscribers coming in obviously aren't going to be in that custom audience. So you're going to want to add them. So what I want to do is flag these. I'd want to tag these people. Now, obviously, it's going to be a manual process. I would tag them, add a tag, and the tag is download it to Facebook Ads Manager. So now I'm going to tag all 303 of them. And now they're all tagged. So now, as my new subscribers come on, I can run a filter on the ones that don't have that tag, download that CSV file, and update my custom audience here. So now it's actually a week later. I videotaped the first part of this video a week ago, and I just wanted to show you how to update your custom audience. Excuse me. Now, it could be daily, weekly, monthly, however you want to do it. But because we tagged in the previous part of this video, or last week, we tagged them with download to Facebook Ads Manager. So now I have 325 subscribers. So if we go tag is not download to Ads Manager, we have 22. So now what I can do is I'll go to bulk, export, download. And then once we get that, we're going to show that in here. We're going to grab that and open it. We're going to delete the first row because it has that ID. And we're going to change the formatting. Mine comes over this way, so I always have to change it so that it's straight numbers. And now you could save as CSV. I can get rid of that. Some of that. Actually, I'm going to say call it update custom odd. And I'm going to put it on my desktop. So it's there. Yes. Close. Yes. Yes. So now we have it all ready to go. So we could go into our Ads Manager, and you go into, once you get an into Business Manager, get to Ads Manager, go to All Tools, go to Audience. And once your audience comes up, I'm in CubMediaVox, and so here's our custom audience that we were working with the other day. And we could go to, you click on it, select it, go to Actions and Edit. And then you're going to add custom file. And then we're going to upload that file. We're going to go into Desktop. And here it is. Grab that. We're going to do Next. And then we're going to map them out. It needs to go to Facebook page user ID. And then we need to get our ID. I guess I have to go back in. Go back in to get the page ID that I need. That's my business ID up there. I'm going to go into business settings so that I can look at the pages, and then I can go on here, and there's my clipboard there. Close that. Go back to here and put your page ID. Hit enter, and then add one and upload. And there we go. It's all been uploaded. We're all good. Now you can create a lookalike audience on here based on what you got in there. So that's all updated. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your audience in ManyChat. And since we have them all selected, we're going to do a bulk action. We're going to add the tag downloaded to Facebook Manager. So now those are all marked as well. So now we have 0. So we know we're all up there. And then you just have to do it manually. For right now, it's a manual process getting them up there. So if you have any questions, I think it's a great feature. I've been starting to use it. I know some people have been using it, and they're seeing better results as far as people interacting with the ads and getting a better ROI with their ad spend because of the quality of the custom audience. So take a look. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Well, that concludes our video for today on the ManyChat subscriber feature, where you can download the Facebook user IDs for your subscribers and upload them into Facebook Ad Manager to create a custom audience and then create a lookalike audience around that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I'd happy to answer them. And as always, please like the video, share it across the world, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And actually click on the little bell so that you do get a notification when a new video is uploaded. Down in the description, I have a link to a great course, ManyChat Toolbox. It'll teach you about the ManyChat dynamic content and the ManyChat API. Great course, check it out. And as always, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.